Hi, Charles Angels. This is Charles, California. How are you doing today? I do have my Compiegne 20. I don't even know the size of this one, but Compiegne. And then I got this one from J Ports from last haul that I got from them, and then yeah. So you have seen this one already, the beautiful Compiegne, Compiegne. I think it's Compiegne. I don't know, but you decide what it is. Anyways, so this is that. What we're going to do today is we're going to what fits in my bag and then review this one as itself. I do really love this bag. I do have some things to do with this one. This is somewhat a project bag that I got from J-Ports because as you can see, the hardware of it, the zipper pull, and then the zipper itself, I really need to clean it up. I haven't had the chance yet on that. But the bachetta on this one is so really nice and clean. So yeah, so really nice. I do have the spot in there that I'm gonna clean, and then this one too. I need to this one is sticky on this part of it, so I need to clean it up. And then so there's one whole big compartment inside. I stuff it up with this. This is how I stuff my bag, either a bubble wrap or a gift wraps. So that's nice inside. So that's what you're going to see inside. And then there's two pockets, one whole compartment, and then two pockets in there. So that, like I told you, I do have a sticking part on that, and then another pocket on here which is sticky too. So I need to clean that up. Other than that, everything is looking pretty. And then this one is from 8903 SL. So 8903 SL, it says on here, yeah, it's a really subtle one. It's 8903 SL. That's all about this bag, but it's a really huge one. If you're going to carry it, I'm going to show it to you. So it's really big compared to my Danube. So this is the Danube, and then this is the Compiegne. So that's the comparison of that, and then that's the comparison on the side, and then of course the comparison on the bottom. So it's this Compiegne is thicker than this one, and of course the size of it, it's kind of like 1.5 of the Danube, and then and then and then yeah. So that's side by side of it. This is the side by side in front, and then this is the side by side on the back. So yeah. So that's that. If you're going to compare this one, if you're going to compare this one to the Toiletry Pouch 26, that's the comparison of it in front, on the side. So the Compiegne is really thicker, like probably 0.5 thicker than the Toiletry Pouch 26, and then that's the bottom of it. Seems like almost the same. And then the side by side of it, it's probably the Compiegne is thicker a little bit, for thicker for about what, like an inch. And then the height of it, the height of this one, the Toiletry Pouch 26 does have probably an inch taller than the Compiegne. So that's the comparison of the two, the Compiegne and the Toiletry Pouch 26. This is my clutch that I always use, and then I found this beauty, so I have this. Now, what fits inside? This one fits a lot for this particular one. I can carry almost everything on this one. I will show you that. So this one, I can fit my Coach box, my essential one, and then my wallet. This is the wallet that I got from J-Ports. So yeah. I don't know the name of this one, but I will find it out for you guys. So that's that. And then my eyeglasses. I'll put my eyeglasses there. My card case. My key holder. And then of course my pochette clay. And then my AirPods. So that is all, and it fits so good in there. So when I close it, and then yeah, it fits more than, of course, it fits more than the Danube, and it's really nice. So that's how it looks like inside. It's really organized inside, and then it's all standing, so which is really good. And it fits more because this one can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things inside, so which is really good on this one. And then I don't even use the pockets on the back. Remember the pockets on the back? So I didn't even use those yet. I just only put everything on the main compartment, which is this. And then, by the way, there's the Louis Vuitton Paris made in France in there on that part. So that's how it is. This is what fits of my Compiegne. If you're thinking of a clutch, this is a really good clutch that you can buy. I don't think they do have this one at the store anymore. This one, I got this one from J-Ports. It's a vintage Louis Vuitton bag and authentic that I think it's a really good clutch that you're going to have, this one. So this is how you carry it. So there you go. It's really nice. It's really big. And then compared to the Toiletry Pouch 26, they do have different aesthetics on them, so which is really nice. If you want to go to you can put that one under your arm. You can do that. You can just carry it like this. And then so there's a lot of stuff that you can do with this one. So yeah, this one does have a lot of vachetta on it. So that's that. And then, but it's already honeyed patina on that, so which is really cool. And then this one, the only thing you really need to think of this one is the vachetta on this one. This is the only leather that it has, so which is nice. And then the front and the back of that. Other than that, that's it, because everything is canvas. So this is a worry-free one. This one, if it is brand new, probably you're going to worry about the vachetta, the amount of vachetta that it does have, but not anymore because it's already clean. So what I'm going to do for the next videos, I'm going to show you how to clean the hardware, and then how to clean the stickiness of the bag, and then what are the things and how I clean this up so that it's going to be spanking new. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to do for the next videos with you guys, and then so that you're able to take care of your bag. And also if you found a project bag, I will able to help you with that in the next video. So watch, don't forget to watch down in the succeeding days that I'm going to post a video. Thank you very much for watching. I love you all, my Charles Angels. Thank you very much for watching. This is Charles, California. I will see you again in the next video. Do what makes you happy. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done that one yet. Hit the notification button so you will be informed of the new videos that I'm going to upload. And then share. Sharing is caring. So would you please share this to people? Follow me on my social media. I'm going to link down below for you to be able to catch me on my Instagram, Twitter, and also my Facebook. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day. This is Charles, California. Do what makes you happy. Bye.